Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Welcome back to the guitar build. We've got ourselves a neck, minus a little bit of fret work that still needs to be done. Just crowning, and the edges are still a little bit sharp. But it's in a place where I'm happy to put it aside and get working on the body. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start by making a template, or three, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's get back into it. I'm gonna take this inside because I've met me, and if I don't, I'll knock it off my bench.
I'm searching my soul, my mind keeps locking, 'cause I'm stuck in a mode that ain't my own. You're sure smiling, but I don't hide the fact inside I'm crying. Oh, I'm stuck in the past, Lord knows I'm trying, but it's going so fast, like you're dreaming, I'm trying to hang on because you're flying. You only wish that you could keep on sleeping. Words that once were spoken, it's gone, long gone. Walking in a world where those words that once were spoken, it's gone. It's like I'm drowning, but I know I won't die. More like he's clowning to keep the eyes on the prize. You ever wonder if you're doing it right? You ever wonder where's all the heart for the fight? You ever notice all that wind in your eyes? Don't keep them dry, but more like tearing, 'cause the wind is also feeling the ride. Oh, like you're drowning, but you know you won't die. The fear in the ride, that's your own. Walking in a world where those words that once were spoken. Walking in a world where all the truth you're always choking. Walking in a world where those words that once were spoken is gone. It's like I'm dreaming, I'm trying to hang on because I'm flying. I only wish that I could keep on sleeping. Like I'm dreaming, I'm trying to hang on because I'm flying. I only wish that I could keep on sleeping. I'm walking, I'm digging a hole, there's too much talking. While I'm searching my soul, my mind keeps locking, 'cause I'm stuck in a mode that ain't my own. That ain't my own.
Okay, so I just got super stoked about how nice and tight this neck pocket fits this neck. And then suddenly realized that when you're using a tune-o-matic bridge, that neck needs to be at an angle. And I don't know what that angle needs to be, nor have I made anything that would resemble an angle. So before I cut this neck butt down to final thickness, I'm gonna try to angle this neck pocket to approximately some degrees so that there's an angle. I'm unqualified. How do we do that?
She stalks you as you walk away. She'll leave you hanging by a thread with nothing left to say. You pick up speed 'cause she's always on your feet. Still she purses knowing you ain't got much left to feel. Oh, yeah. Well, she holds you close and makes you say, darling, just how much have you gone and stolen today? You hold on tight and she says, baby, please don't go too far, that you get you to play for her, and then she steals your guitar. You can treat her wrong, you can make her laugh, or you can sing her a song. When you fall asleep, you're bound to wake up alone. She's a thief in the night. She mocks you all tucked in so tight. She'll tease you and then start a fight. You won't indulge 'cause you know it's what she wants, it's what she wants. Just trying to say goodbye, but it's your dreams that she still holds. Oh, 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 yeah. You can treat her right, you can treat her wrong, you can make her laugh and sing her a song. When you fall asleep, you're bound to wake up alone. 'Cause she's a thief in the night, you can stay in the light. this antique telephone. Wonder now it all came down to this. No poems, no songs, no lights, no wrongs, no rocks I could put on your wrist are gonna help you see just what you done to me now. Now I don't make my bed in the morning, I don't put away my clothes. Some days I like to sleep until noon. I like the sand between my toes, so water in my hair, and getting laid out on the beach under the moon. Oh, you know I'd always love you, you know I'd always care while I'm out past the break up in the waves. 'Cause that sparkle in the water reminds me of your eyes, and true love's gonna last forever, so they say. Love seat that was made for two. Thinking to myself, I should have bought a chair. Now maybe it's the way I dress, or maybe it's the way I talk, or maybe it's the way I cut my hair while I sit and stare. And you're not there now, you're not there now. I don't make my bed in the morning, I don't pull away my clothes. Some days I like to sleep until noon. I like the sand between my toes, so water in my hair, and getting laid out on the beach under the moon. Well, you know I'd always love you, you know I'd always care while I'm out past the break up in the waves. 'Cause that sparkle in the water reminds me of your eyes, and true love's gonna last forever, so they say.
Well, there we go. We got a body, relatively speaking. Still needs a couple more grits of sanding and a little bit rounding over on the back side of it. But we got back plates, we got pickup cavities, we got a neck pocket, we got holes for things to go through. And we're getting close. Come back next time where we will do the final touches on both halves, do some fret work on the neck, get the two halves made into one half. It's getting there. It's getting there. And then all I gotta do is learn how to solder and electronics. I'm in over my head. But what do you call it? Treading water. I'm treading water. I'm not in over my head. I'm like, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time. Check out my Patreon page and my Etsy store and stuff. It's down in the description. Bye for now. Yeah.